is Kit.
This is Mimi.
And we're going to show you the 2000th review of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, where we tell you how to cook these noodles. So today we're going to review something called Popin Cookin. So it's made out of funny little things, and we end up making things that look like spring rolls, gyoza, a mango pudding, a ramen noodle soup. Alright, so we get started?
Yeah.
Okay, so first, notice it comes in a package that looks like ramen.
Yeah.
Right. And then we open it. We've got all kinds of little sachets inside for different things.
Yeah, for different things.
Wow, look at all that. Look at all those. And a little fork.
A little fork.
A little cup.
See,
a little
guys.
piping bag.
See you guys. This is it.
Salmon. A little brown one.
And this is the soup.
And a mango pudding. And
Little toothpicks, yeah.
okay, so where do we get started then? Number one, it says mango pudding. Water to the cup until it's half full. And then mango pudding.
Mango pudding.
Add the powder from the orange packet, mix it. It will become firm in 10 minutes. That's a long time.
And then until right here.
Yeah. So then once it's all in there, take the fork and stir it up.
And carefully stirring. Oh.
So we're gonna let our mango pudding set for
right
10
there.
minutes. So we're using the one with the star in the bottom. We're gonna fill it up to
There.
the line. Maybe a tiny splash. The other one. So then you're gonna add the dough powder.
So we don't want it.
Mix. So it's a nice sunshiny day today.
Yep.
Did you get anything else other than hair dye when you went to the store?
Oh, and also a chocolate cake pop. Chocolate cake pop.
Cake pop. Wowie zowie. Are those yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. They sound yummy.
And once I have tried it, like one of the pink ones, and
What's the pink one?
the pink one, I don't know
Is
what.
that just a birthday cake flavored one?
I think so. And I didn't like it.
No? Was
No.
it not chocolatey enough?
No chocolate.
No chocolate! Mmm. Okay, so it says make your ramen toppings, which will be boiled egg and Naruto. So we already did that. Add powder. So tear off 2 pieces of dough. Alright, so we've got our paste made. And now we're going to make some toppings for the ramen. We're going to make some boiled egg
Yeah.
and some Naruto.
Yeah, I'm going to do like this part.
That's what this part is.
Oh.
Pour water, tear off 2 pieces of the dough. Oh, you just need tiny pieces.
2 tiny.
Yeah, because they only have to fit in there.
Can I put one in?
Smash it down on there.
Yeah. Smash. And my fingers tasted delicious.
And next, we're going to make a gyoza dumpling.
Gyoza?
How to make gyoza dumpling. Divide remaining dough in quarter spread.
Oh, I think you're supposed to do it there.
That's for the ramen. We're doing this in here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so it wanted us to separate them into 4 even sizes. Place the dough on the gyoza mold and press to make a hollow space. Fill space on each side with powder from the red packet. Close the mold. How are we supposed to do that? So we're gonna make some of the gyoza now. This one is the red package, and it looks like that's gonna be the filling. And then you smooth it out.
Oh yeah, it looks like you do that. Oh yeah, you do that. You definitely do that.
Okay, you try the other one. Maybe you got the skills.
Yeah.
You must. You're doing a good job.
Staying inside.
You want to get it on the outside part right here, the crinkly spot, because that's where the edge is.
It feels weird.
You got it? Okay. Good job. Okay. So I moved some of our stuff onto the other plate here, so that way we can try to actually squash our gyoza dumplings together.
Dumplings.
We
Dumplings. Dumplings.
We gotta put some of the red stuff in between. Just put a little bit on this side and a little bit on that side. Oh, they're like sprinkles. Okay. And then we're supposed to somehow fold these together. Ready? One, two, three. And squash. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Ready?
Ready.
1, 2,
3.
Oh, look at the little dumpling.
So cute.
Then we should have enough for one more dumpling. Mimi's allowed me to pour the sprinkles in.
And I'm going to fold it up. Then I'm going to put it. Then I'm going to
I like little extra sprinkles in mine. Okay. Oh, you gotta fold it up and squash it together.
Are you ready?
1, 2, 3, go. Squish, 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 squish. Open!
Aw,
Oh, it's a little dumpling. My little dumpling made a dumpling.
cute.
Okay, so we have egg and Naruto, and then we have 2 gyoza. And what do we need to make next? The spring rolls.
Spring roll.
So place powder from the red packet on the dough and roll and repeat. You kind of gotta stretch it out. You can put a lot of sprinkles in those, or you can put a little. Oh no. Okay, put some in the other one. I don't know if we're gonna need any for the ramen. We have to roll our spring rolls.
Wait a minute. I put so much on yours that I don't have so much.
You have a ton on yours. Look at that. Okay, so next we make the ramen.
The ramen.
It says pour water up to line in the tray with the music note. Might end up having another bath. Alright, so add powder from the brown packet, which is the soup powder.
I love soup.
So pour.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Set.
It's almost like a lemony kind of smell, I think.
Oh yeah, it smells like lemon.
So next what we need to do is add the yellow packet, which is going to be the noodles, into the water. And we gotta mix it up. Here's the yellow. We have our little piping bag and our toothpick. And we're just going to go ahead and poke a hole in the corner of the bag so we can pipe out the noodle. Pull the bag down from the top, pull the top back up and twist, and then start piping it into the noodle soup. Okay, so then it says once you're all done with that, to take the pudding out of the mold. Super duper delicious.
Pudding!
And there's some mango pudding.
Cute pudding.
Alright, everybody. So, all together, we have an egg and a Naruto, 2 spring rolls, 2 gyoza, a bowl of ramen, and a mango pudding. And we should put our gyoza, or not a gyoza, our egg and our Naruto on the ramen because they're toppings for the ramen. And there goes the egg and the Naruto. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna try it. The gyoza. Ready? Cheers.
Yes.
Many stars for the gyoza. 3.
Spring roll.
2, 3.
Cheers.
Go.
Mm-mm-mm.
Uh-oh. They're supposed to say something. We'll save him some pudding at ramen.
Yeah. Pudding.
Mango pudding.
Cheers.
What did you rate the spring roll?
I might give it a 5.
I'm gonna go with a 4. What do you give the mango pudding? Maybe not a 1. It's got a weird texture. Noodle time.
Mm-mm-mm.
Ah. Ew.
Yeah.
That's disgusting. I give that 0.
Me too.
I think it's because of the Coca-Cola flavored soup broth. And then it sucked up. All the noodles sucked up that flavor too. Alright, well this is Kit.
And this is Mimi.
Signing off. Have a good one.
Bye!